Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Hall and Carter, which claims to bring you timeless, sophisticated menswear with a premium feel at a surprisingly affordable price. But before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, the official website for Hall and Carter looks sleek and professional, offering dress shirts, polos, chinos, and outerwear, all under a modern tailored aesthetic. But behind the polished storefront, there are some red flags. The good, the site has a secure checkout, clear return policy, and professional layout, better than your average scam site. The red flags: no third party reviews, no social media buzz, and no proof of satisfied customers. That's unusual for a fashion brand in today's online landscape. Their sizing guide and shipping info are somewhat vague, and there's no insight into manufacturing origins, materials, or real life product photos. And while the brand talks a big game about luxury, there's no real brand history or transparency, which is common with dropshipping or white label operations. Now, for the final verdict, Holland Carter may not be an outright scam, but it also doesn't feel fully trustworthy. With no reviews or customer feedback, you're essentially buying blind. If you do try them, proceed with caution and use a payment method that offers buyer protection. Now, have you ordered from Holland Carter? Share your experience below to help others shop smart. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.